So now let's see how we can work around with bump maps effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and if you want to go ahead and work around with bump map effect for this image, then you simply need to go around onto the effects menu. Then you need to go around over here onto custom, and over here you can see that bump map is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it actually adds in bumps right here as per the edges that is there in the image. So you can go ahead and select out tiles. Let's say for example for the bump right here, just like this as well, and then this is what you have. And apart from that, you can stretch this to fit as well. So apart from that, there's different option, like you can change around the scale factor right here. You can change around the floor section right here as well. So you can go ahead and select out parts of the image that you want to bump out, and you can change around the ceiling right here just like this as well, and change around how the bump actually works. You can also change around the highlights. As you can see right here, you can increase and decrease out the highlights right here as well. Then you can also go ahead and work around with the lighting right here and change around where the light effect is from the bump area. Then over here you can also go ahead and change around the direction of the lighting as well, and then choose the color of the lighting just like this as well. You can also go ahead and change around the brightness of the lighting right here and change around the ambient color of the lighting just like this as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and apply out bump maps. So you can see that this is the last used preset, but what you can also do is you can create your own preset right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to say something like bump 1, and this particular preset is there. But apart from that, you can also go ahead and select out different bump map presets that there are actually here and apply them onto the image right here just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the bump map effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.